Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When an alkylbenzene is treated with hot alkaline KMnO4, a strong oxidizing agent, the entire alkyl side chain attached to the benzene ring is oxidized down to a carboxyl group, -CoO, regardless of the chain length, as long as there is at least one benzylic hydrogen. The benzene ring itself remains intact. Reasoning: N-butylbenzene has a benzene ring with an N-butyl group, CH to CH to CH to CH3, attached. The benzylic carbon, the carbon directly attached to the ring, has hydrogens, so hot alkaline KMnO4 oxidize the entire 4-carbon side chain completely. The product is benzoic acid, C6H5CoO, where the C4H9 chain is converted to CoO. Why other options fail? B. Butanoic acid. This would require the benzene ring to be oxidized and the side chain to remain, which does not occur under these conditions. C. Benzyl alcohol. This is a mild oxidation product and would not result from hot alkaline KMnO4, which is a vigorous oxidant. D. Benzaldehyde. This would require only partial oxidation of the side chain. Hot alkaline KMnO4 fully oxidize the chain to the carboxylic acid level. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.